Hi, this is Gary with MacMost Now. On today's episode, let's look at iWork.com. So iWork.com is a service from Apple that allows you to share your Keynote, Pages, and Numbers documents online. Let's take a look. So here I am in Pages, and I've chosen one of the sample documents. It's got formatting and the image at the top, and I'm going to click on the Share button here, which will then take me to this page here. If I'm not signed in using my Apple ID, it'll ask me to do that or create an Apple ID account. It's free right now as iWork.com is in a public beta. So I can choose to share with others, publish on the web, or upload for private use. All three of these will put the document at iWork.com. So the first option here is most comprehensive. It allows me to share the document specifically with other users. I can add a list of email addresses of people to send an email to automatically that the document's available for them to view. I can use a subject and message for that email as well, and say whether or not I want them to be able to leave comments or download the document. I can click the Show Advanced button here, and you can't see it all, but I can change the name of the document as it appears there. I also can choose, you can see Pages 09 and PDF as available formats for them to download. Below that's Pages 08 and Microsoft Word as well. And I can also, just below that, set a password for people so they need to use that password to view it online. If I go over to Publish here, it's much simplified. I can simply set a name for the document if I want, and same thing for the upload here, which will make it available online but not publicly viewable by others, just by me. So let's just click on the simple Publish one here. I'll give it an example and publish. And it will generate the different documents and upload it to iWork.com. Now here's what it looks like on the web. I'm signed into iWork.com, so I'll see more information here since I'm the owner of the document. You can see I can view the document. Everybody can do that. And this is all done with dynamic HTML. This does not require being able to view it as a PDF or anything. Now, when you invite viewers, you use their name and email address, just like you would have before if you had chosen that option instead of just public sharing. And those people would get an email with a link that has a specific URL for them. So when they're viewing the document, it knows who's viewing it. So when they leave notes, you know who left the note. So here's how notes work. You can highlight something in the text here, and then you can click on the note button here, and it will link a note to that piece of text. And the note will just stay there. You can also go and add notes to the entire document here on the right, like that. And it says who posted it and when. Now somebody else viewing this document can view these notes and hit reply and reply to a note. And then post it there. They can add more notes here on the right, and people can keep basically making notes to documents. So it's a great way to share something between a bunch of people, have them review it, give you some feedback. And the great thing is you can also download this as a Pages document, PDF, or Word file, and these notes will actually remain intact. So you can, when you're finished, download the Pages document, see all your notes in there, and make changes to your Pages document in Pages. So you have all the levels of security that you need. You can post something completely publicly, let other people view it. You can post it and have specific people be able to add notes and view it. You can require a password, so even if somebody knows a specific URL where it's at, they still can't get at the document unless they know the password. Now to go and look at all my documents, there's a link here partially hidden by me, Shared Documents. I click on that and it'll go to my iWork homepage here, which shows all the different documents that I've shared. So you notice that not only have I shared a Pages document, I've got a sample here of a numbers spreadsheet, and you can add different things in there, and notes do the same kind of thing. You can also share Keynote presentations, and the interesting thing about Keynote presentations now is that when you view them online, they actually have a lot of the features like transitions that you would normally only see if you were viewing them in Keynote. So this is something new this week. So for instance, if I view this Keynote presentation here, even though I'm just in the browser, you can see the transitions actually work. Now, not all the transitions and features of Keynote will work. Apple has a list of what works and what doesn't right here, so you can check that out for yourself. So iWork.com is a great way to be able to take your documents with you, especially something like a presentation. Instead of having to worry about it, bringing your own laptop or anything, you can just put your presentation up on iWork.com, use any computer, launch the browser, and play the presentation from there. It also works with iPad apps. The iPad iWork apps allow you to publish your documents to iWork.com as well. So a lot of different features. You can check out some more information about iWork.com at Apple. Now it's in beta right now, which means they're adding new features all the time, like they added the keynote features this week. So it's free to use, and it's also something that's going to just keep changing. We'll have to see what happens with it in the future, if Apple charges extra for it or makes it part of Mobile Me, and what features eventually end up as part of the online iWork suite. Till next time, this is Gary with MacMost Now. Want more video tutorials? Just go to MacMost.com, click on the videos link at the top of the page, and then you can view all of the hundreds of MacMost videos by category.